Now what I have done is you got to roast the aubergine. Basically, I kept this in the oven and I just let it roast for about 20 minutes, and that's how you get them. Or if you have a gas or a hob which is a flame driven gas, you could just kind of hold this with a pair of tongs and just roast this on either side. That way is also it's alright, but this is kind of fast. Just put it in the oven and 20 minutes it's kind of done. So all you need to do is now peel off the skin from the aubergine. Now it's really simple. See, you see the skin is already separated from the flesh. You just need to peel off the skin of each and then kind of make a pulp. Now that's the way they look after they're peeled. I'm just going to mash this because it's really soft. I just need to mash them and they'll be ready to add to our mixture. In an open cooking dish, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 finely chopped green chili, 1 onion finely chopped. We're going to let the onion slightly change color. Now that the onions have slightly changed shade, I've added 1 tomato finely chopped. I'm going to let the tomatoes become nice and soft and ooze out all the water. Now that the tomatoes have become nice and soft and have oozed out the water, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, little salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm going to give this a quick mix. Now just add a little of water for the spices to cook. Let this come to a nice boil. Until this comes to a boil, I'm going to show you my mashed aubergine. So after I peel them, I have mashed them with the wooden spoon, and that's how they look. So for this mashed aubergine or bangan bharta, we're going to use the aubergine which is well mashed. Okay, this has come to a slight boil. I'm now going to add my mashed aubergine. Mix this well. Ensure you keep mixing it when you add it to the mixture so that there are no lumps that get created. Now just flatten this out in your cooking dish. Keep it on low flame. After about 10 minutes of cooking this on low flame, the water has almost evaporated. And so is your bangan bharta almost ready. Just sprinkle some coriander, give it a mix, and this is ready. You can serve this with naan or a roti, which is Indian flat bread. It's extremely healthy. So enjoy. So thank you very much, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you guys will try it out in your homes. And do write to me if in case you want me to really teach you or to cook with you a recipe of your choice. I'll be more than happy because I believe in inspiring a lot of people to cook. And now that I have that kind of expertise, I want to pass it on to everyone. So thank you, and see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.